This is the first time India bans the cracker. Why only this year India bans the cracker? What is the reason behind it? Why Rajasthan, Delhi, Odisha, Haryana, and almost all parts of India bans the cracker? What is the science behind it? Why we lit up diyas around us? In the next few minutes, I will make you aware of the circumstances happening behind the Diwali. Diwali, or what we often term it as the Festival of Light, falls in the October and November, and the festival is celebrated much granular in North India as compared to the southern parts of India. This perfect weather, which is promoted by the low temperature and humid, the bacteria starts propagating in an initiated oil lamp together with the chemicals evolved from the flames kills this bacterial population. The effect gets multiplied to several thousand times when you light up hundreds of diyas around you. Another interesting thing is to note that diya superposes over the magnetic field around your superficial electromagnetic flux. This phenomenon activates your blood cells, and the immunity provided by them makes you feel so energetic and full of life. That's why during the Diwali, homes are cleaned and hundreds of lamps are lit to ensure the atmosphere. Or- But today, instead of lamps, crackers are lit, which causes air pollution. But today, air pollution is extremely harmful due to COVID. Rajasthan and Odisha banned the crackers due to this reason. NGT noticed to the center to ban the crackers from November 10 to 30. This application referred to the statement of the Union Health Ministry and the Health Ministry of Delhi that during festive season there will be rise of COVID-19 cases due to air pollution. Cracker factories of Shivkashi. The crackers are supplied from Shivkashi to various parts of India. In Shivkashi, more than 700 factories make approximately so much money that it's neither given to a spacecraft agency around $360 million. Hence, there are various disasters that's occurring around this factory. This more than 25 people are killed. I will show you who the disaster happened in Punjab due to this cracker factory. Is burning of crackers does not affect our environment and humans, but it is also harmful for animals and birds too. Who the deafening crackers have been known to cause temporary deafness in disorient birds, making them fly out of their shelter or into alien corners in search of safety. As most birds have poor vision, and especially at night, they bump into unknown objects and injure themselves. Else, around 80 to 90% of dogs are scared of crackers. Bursting of crackers are fun for ourselves, but not for others. And during this pandemic, it is really harmful for all the people. Let's not burn the cracker, because already India has most populated rate in the world. The earth has enough problems already. Avoid crackers and help the COVID patients to stay safe and secure.